Hey everyone, welcome back to Cavaz Astro. Today we are going to walk through how to stack your astrophotography images in Siril. If you're new to astrophotography, stacking is the process that combines all of your individual exposures into one clean, low noise image. And Siril makes it completely free and surprisingly easy. Let's jump in. So why do we stack images in the first place? When you capture deep sky objects, each individual frame is noisy and faint. When you stack dozens or even hundreds of frames together, the signal from your target adds up while the random noise cancels out. The result is a much cleaner image with way more detail. Before we open Siril, we'll need to organize our image files. You'll want 4 folders inside of one folder. These folders are lights, darks, flats, and biases. Your light frames are the actual images of your target. Dark frames are taken with the lens cap on to capture sensor noise. Flat frames correct vignetting and dust spots. And biased frames capture the baseline noise of your camera. The more calibration frames you use, the cleaner your final image will be. Make sure all of your files are in separate, clearly labeled folders. This will make everything smoother. Alright, let's open Siril. The interface might look a little intimidating at first, but we'll keep this simple. First you go to Home and click Set Working Directory. Select the main folder that contains all your subfolders. Now click on the Scripts menu on the top and choose OSC Preprocessing if you're using a color camera. Now Siril will start processing on screen. You'll see it calibrating, registering, and stacking your image. This can take a few minutes depending on how many frames you have. What I do is sing. While Siril's working, here's what's happening behind the scenes. First, it's calibrating your light frames using the darks, flats, and biases. This removes noise, vignetting, and other imperfections. Next is registering the images. This means Siril is aligning all your frames so the stars line up perfectly. Finally, it stacks them together using an algorithm that averages out the noise and keeps the signal. The result is a master file called result.bit that appears in your working directory. This is your stacked image ready for stretching and processing. At first it's going to look really dark. That's totally normal. While your data is there, just compress into the shadows. You can use the auto stretch button at the bottom. Get a preview will sit in that file. Don't worry about making it look perfect here. That's what the next stage of processing is for. For now, just appreciate how much cleaner the stacked image looks compared to a single frame. So to recap, organize your files into separate folders, lights, darks, flats, and biases. Load them into Siril using the pre-processing script. Let Siril calibrate, register, and stack, and you'll end up with a clean master image, ready for the next step. And that's it. You just stacked your first astrophoto in Siril. Please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Drop a comment and let me know what deep sky target you're working on right now. Thanks for watching and clear skies.